Hi, for today we are back again to our quick and easy video tutorial on how to use Chroma Key on Kinemaster. So with no further ado, let's start. First is you have to make sure that you have updated your Kinemaster application. And if it's updated, you can now proceed to our tutorial. So what you have to do is to open the application, and as you can see here, I've already had a background, and what you have to do is to add the video that you want to adjust the chroma key. Let's say on the right side you will see layer, and then on the upper or topmost part you will see media. Click on that, and here you will see basically your gallery or your photos and videos. So what you have to do is to choose the video that you want to use. Let's say I'm gonna use this one. So here you will see the video, and on the right side you will see the menu bar, and if you scroll all the way down you will see chroma key, and you click enable chroma key, and you will be able to adjust your chroma. Let's say something like that. You could actually also use a detail curve for easier use. So you just have to manipulate and add to your, sorry, that one, and that's it. That's how you use your chroma key. So if this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and click on that notification bell to keep you updated. Thank you for watching.